It's only by His grace and mercy.
When it comes to Ntate David Sejobe, uMzansi was robbed. Umuntu bekahleza happy. Umuntu bekayi-joy bringer ebantwini. Like bekayi-therapist mara yena bekangatati ukuthi bekahila abantu labaningi. Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. 2 February 2026 kuvuke letindaba letibuhlungu letamangalisa uMzansi kakhulu. Still today tisasebuhlungu cause savuka letindaba tokuthi uMr Sejobe ube involved ku-hit and run le bese ithatha impilo yakhe. Kuthiwa washayiswa i-silver grey Volvo leya bese iyanyamalala mayisuka lapho cause ayizange ifune kutholakala ukuthi kwenzakalani. uMr Sejobe wajoyina i-MultiChoice waba i-security waba i-front person yabo ngo-2015 lapho bese khona wasemakafika wa-adapta lula kwaba nguye umuntu lo umukela wonke umuntu ama-jokes bekahlezi nje athi jampela full of life. That's all I can say. Full of life and bekathandwa abantu labaningi because abantu labandlula kulesa strat bebavele balinzele ukuthi uMr David sizombona and utosijabulela. So apart from that bekathandwa nokucycle, bekathandwa amabhayisikili guys in a way that bekagibela ibhayisikili lakhe from Orange Farm to Randburg every day going to work to show ukuthi lento leya uyayithanda. And wachaza ukuthi after yena wa-diagnose ngokuthi une-diabetic ne-asthma wabese udecide ukuthi ufuna kuhlala afit ubese uhlezi agibela ibhayisikili lakhe wangena lama-competition amabhayisikili lamanye wawawina. And the good thing ukuthi la bekasebenza khona bebayisupporta le passion yakhe le bebamngamuyekeleli if athi uyale beba-make sure ukuthi bayamsupporta not knowing ukuthi ba-create ama-memories lesiyosala nawo forever. So kuthe njalo after kumemedele ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni kwavula ama-donations ukuthi kungasadonate kwentiwe njani so that uMr Sejobe's wife atokhona kusala abone ukuthi wenta njani. Luckily kureziwe imali le-over 500,000. Lokho kubonisile ukuthi balimele bantu silimele. Bekuyindlela yabo bantu bahamba bayogcwala lena MultiChoice bahamba bayokhombisa upay their last respect. Ama-taxi afola iline guys washaya amabheli bantu bayenda the way bekayenda ngakhona like letinto naleto nje la bekathandza kutenda. So guys uhambile uMr Sejobe angeke asaphindze abuye. Lokho kushiya nenhliziyo lebuhlungu cause that guy uyiphilile impilo yakhe the way beka-free ngakhona noma ngabe bongamadi mara bowumbona lapha ukuthi this guy full of life nje into takhe betihlezi tinjalo. So 7 February la wahamba wobeka khona endlini yakhe yokugcina eLimpopo le la kabuya khona cause eJoburg bekede ngemsebenzi. Guys sohlezi simkhumbula sohlezi sisho ukuthi sike saba naye cause even nalabo labe bacrossa lapha everyday bekayiloyo muntu lokho ukuthi bekusanesikhathi ukuthi mawusotondlula lapha nakanjani ngizombona. So our mornings ngeke asafana kuhamba kwelanga kuzomthola emini ngeke asafana kohlezi kunjalo cause nakubona leya building leya kohlezi kunaleya nto yokuthi nyalo kube bekala ngabe uyamemeda bekahlezi aphana nema word of the day athini mabokududu nje bekahlezi ngulomuntu loyo lofisako ukuthi abone ukuthi lomunye umuntu happy nakambona. Guys, that's the end of our today's video. May his soul rest in peace and he will forever be in our hearts because vele sonke besimthandza bekathandzeka uMr David. That's the end of our today's video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ngitonibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.